Machines are becoming increasingly high performance and can help fabricators create unique glass products.
We are displaying a Pujol 100 PVB Plus line, which is for lamination of PVB and EVA and also HGP. The advantage of this machine is that PVB doesn't need to be in a refrigerated room to be laminated with this equipment. That enables us to have a lower cost per square meter at the end of the day. Laminated glass is gaining over tempered glass. For example, now in Europe, security glass is either anneal laminated or temper laminated, but not tempered on its own. It's considered a security glass anymore. So in the near future, everybody with a tempering oven will have to pass all his production through a lamination line. So we see a very promising future for lamination lines like this.
Glasstec 2016 wrapped up last Friday in Dusseldorf, but after a massive 4-day show that took up 9 halls, we've still got a lot more to report. I'm Nick St. Dennis, and today we're bringing you a look at a few more features from this year's trade fair. 2 displays in Glass Technology Live exhibition had everyone talking. One was an impressive all-glass slide created by Eckersley O'Callaghan and Crocursa. Another was a seriously high-tech glass shower enclosure, unlike anything you've ever seen or experienced.
We have a project where we're using these tubes. We're actually using them as a facade. So Crocursa are producing these, and they came to us to ask, can we do something else than just present one of the pieces of glass here? So we thought, why don't we do something that is just fun, that is not just putting a piece of glass, but something a bit kind of playful.
You know, our industry is generally quite conservative, and rightly so in many ways. Glass is a material that has to be dealt with in a particular way, and it has to be dealt with a certain level of respect. But I do believe firmly that if you can engineer things and understand how things behave, then you can do anything with material, just as you can with steel or concrete or timber or anything like that. You know, we were faced with, what do you do with 2 tubes? We could have just did 2 tubes up, but I think her idea about making this a glass slide is a sort of fun way of demonstrating, but inside that is some fairly acute engineering ideas, and that's what we were really just trying to demonstrate.
Is testing little pieces of technology like the TSSA connection on the treads. This is kind of a safe trial. It's a very small scale. The treads are one thing, the silicon joint at the top is the other thing. It's just bonded with silicon, no metal connections, and we really wanted to show that glass that is often connected with metal doesn't always need to be connected with metal.
I mean, that's kind of where we're trying to get to, and I don't think we're quite there, but this is a really good step towards that, and perhaps it's a really good demonstration of how we might get there.
This is the world's first shower without any components inside. So you have on the bottom and in the back wall tempered laminated glass with a schist stone between it, and this schist stone is perforated with 24 karat gold. The special thing in this case is that the shower knows automatically, if you open the door, the shower knows that somebody is going inside. And if you go inside now, you can choose your program. For example, we take Vanessa, and the settings for Vanessa are saved in the shower. So you got your favorite temperature, your favorite color, you can listen to music, you can read news, you can use it like a computer, more or less. Everything is controlled with this touch panel inside, and if you close the door, the shower knows automatically that the person has left the shower.